Another Kershaw knife, and you can see it is very wore down, looking at the scalps. Watch this. Anything serrated right in the middle. This gets it to vibrate, chatters through the teeth, top to bottom, will not eat the teeth down.
So one of the pegs you let
one peg off the... Yep. So that's why it vibrates. Look at that. Feel sharper?
Yeah. Very sharp.
Now watch this front jump up. The front, these rods squeeze back so they follow your edge. They don't tear into it. They put the original bevel back on a blade. When you buy these nice Kershaws, you want to keep that original edge. I'm also using these on hunting knives. I'm using them on kitchen knives. I use them on garden tools.
How much are they?
I do them 20 bucks each, 2 for 30. See that? Okay. Feel how sharp I got her there? Watch, I'm going to show you in the next step. Not bad, huh?
Yeah.
Watch this. Your leather belt, use the rough side, that's all you need. Just hit it across. The bevel's set to where it needs to be. You ain't going to get no sharper. Feel that now. That leather work? Anyway, I do them 20 each, 2 for 30. They're lifetime guaranteed, made here in America.